les enfants. Today I've been listening to songs that I was listening when I was a little kid from les ronds des chansons de France. I found lots of them on YouTube and I'm trying to pick some that are suitable for you. And I found this one. This is about un crocodile. Alors un crocodile, it's perhaps a bit hard the verses, but the chorus is really, really fun. It's the story of a crocodile and he's going to war, à la guerre. He goes to la guerre. And as he goes, he says adieu, adios, goodbye, à ses petits-enfants, to his little children. Alors, he's going with his tail, traînant dans la poussière, the tail, la queue, is swiping the dust, and he was going to fight elephants, des éléphants. Alors, these are two animals, you know, un crocodile, un éléphant, so I thought it was a good song. So the crocodile is going to war with des éléphants. Alors, as he was swiping the dust with his queue, il agitait sa queue dans la poussière, like if he was already triomphant, if it like he was already going to be a victor. And les animaux, all the animals, devant sa mine altière, alors before his really, really proud way, they were really going away, they were fleeing, very, very shaking. Alors, ils s'enfuyaient tout tremblant dans les forêts in the forest. So I'm explaining the song. You're going to see all the words when you listen to the YouTube video. You can listen to me as well, but you're going to get all the words on the YouTube that I've put after me. And finally, un éléphant paru sur la terre. The elephant is coming. And he was préparait un combat de géant. A géant is a giant. Oh, this was going to be a really mighty fight. And, but near there was a river. And the crocodile, instead of fight, just throws himself away and flees. So this is how the story goes. Alors, he was going to fight the elephants, but in the end, he was a coward and he's going away. So the song goes like that. Un crocodile s'en allant à la guerre disait adieu à ses petits-enfants, traînant sa queue dans la poussière, il s'en allait combattre les éléphants. And that's the funny part. Ah, les crocodiles, sur les bords du Nil, ils sont partis, n'en parlons plus. Ah, les crocodiles, sur les bords du Nil, ils sont partis, n'en parlons plus. Alors, sur les bords du Nil, on the river of the Nile, you can see on the picture, you have pyramids there that tells you where it is. And ils sont partis, they are gone, n'en parlons plus, let's not talk about them anymore, they're gone. So that's the chorus, and it goes like that. Second bit goes, il agitait sa queue dans la poussière comme s'il était d'avance triomphant. Les animaux devant sa mine altière dans les forêts s'enfuyaient tout tremblants. And we go to the fun part. Ah, les crocodiles, sur les bords du Nil, ils sont partis, n'en parlons plus. Ah, les crocodiles, sur les bords du Nil, ils sont partis, n'en parlons plus. Last bit, this is where the crocodile is going to be afraid and leave it. It goes like that. Un éléphant parut et sur la terre se préparait un combat de géants. Mais près de là courait une rivière. There's a river there. Le crocodile s'y jeta subitement. Ah, les crocodiles, sur les bords du Nil sont partis, n'en parlons plus. Ah, les crocodiles, sur les bords du Nil, ils sont partis, n'en parlons plus. So that's me singing that, but you have it with the music and the picture, so that should be fun to learn. Okay? Au revoir les enfants!